So here it is, guys. Riche's been slaving over the stove and
because she makes mashed potato.
real talk, we have seafood mashed potato. It was supposed to be a boil, but it's mashed potato now. So we got the, I almost called it lobster. We got the shrimp, some sausage. I think Riche said it's like pepper sausage. We got some corn and, you know, mashed potato. It looks really good. I'm really excited. It smells really good. Wish you guys can smell the fumes.
When you see 40 comes out, 40 videos.
Oh, I was really lost.
Wait, as I look at this, the steam is getting real low.
We are from morning. This girl didn't even feed us.
So guys,
She can eat one.
I can try eat it, leave it.
Give her one. We're not waiting.
Hello, my name is Sadie. I'm back.
Stop you!
I am here with my friend. They were impatient, so they already started serving, but we're having a mukbang. This was Lennique's idea because she wanted to do this from before she left last time.
Yeah, it was. Hey guys.
The chef of the day was Chae Alicia Stirrup. I can't say her name.
Okay, so start again right now.
Start what from you?
Your intro.
Great. I don't do
It doesn't taste that bad.
You already started eating?
But you have to introduce us.
Oh my god.
You have to introduce us.
So today we have
Riann.
I pointed at Riann.
My bad.
Today we have
Riann.
Riche. Lennique.
you got grease on your lip.
That's the juice.
The trio that always saves this channel.
Oh really?
Actually,
The duo?
Speak for themselves. The viewers speak for themselves.
Let's just say that the comments does not lie. They ask where I am. Not where you are.
No one is here.
for 2.5K.
How much dislikes y'all get though? How much dislikes y'all get?
I don't say any publicity is good publicity.
I
Don't anyways. I'm glad. You know, Riche did a good job, you know. Kind of good.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's good.
So let's disclaimer. It doesn't look like a boil because the potatoes are soft, but it still tastes good.
So Dwyrolle, what are we doing today?
We're gonna have some topics that you guys suggested on Instagram. The first topic is the royal scandal.
Okay, now, I'm gonna lie, I really don't know too much about this, so you guys are gonna.
Yeah, you gotta lead the way.
And what's happening with that?
I actually don't know because there's so many other things.
Wow.
Hi, Enrique.
Prince William cheated on his wife,
Kate.
Kate, with Kate's best friend.
Not even the royal ones.
There's even infidelity in the royal family.
That's utter bullshit. Utter, like, that's unacceptable. They're right on. My man been for all heads cut off.
I'm glad Dwyrolle was there to take my man. I would deck her in the nose.
I don't think we know, you don't know that yet.
Get
That
this
baby is
over.
off limits.
Shout out to Glenn Roy, HUB.
Oh!
Yeah, I couldn't really know it.
You suck, baby.
That's you?
Why did you knock it on Riche?
The corn is slippery.
How do you feel about cheating on the
But Riche and your taste in men are not the same, so we
Real
gotta
talk,
worry about that.
real talk.
Babe. Look at this guy leaving the piece of the shrimp on there trying to kill niggas.
But I wonder how real like famous people is deal with these cheating scandals.
like Chloe
But
and
Chloe.
honestly, I would have leave him from when he cheated on
From
me
the
when I
first
was
time.
giving
The
birth.
first time, babe.
No, I think it's the first time. It's always like everybody deserves a second chance depending on the situation.
Yeah, but they
But
be
the first
pregnant.
time to our knowledge was when he cheat with them girls in the club or something like that.
When she was
I wasn't
pregnant.
talking about that. I was talking about
Like, I feel like that's just like such a low down thing to do. Like, your significant other is pregnant. Like, anything can send them into labor at any time.
She cheat.
No,
She was the
cheated.
side chick,
Yeah.
basically.
Yeah, I saw
Yeah.
that going around, but like a lot of people were saying like that actually wasn't the case in him and his baby mama. Like
No,
they
he
was
said
already
that wasn't the
broken
case.
up. So I don't even know.
But if you see that he leave his baby mama for next year, what you expect him to do? To
Yeah.
you?
I mean, that's true, but like at the same time, some niggas like they just leave like girls and stuff. Like they'd have a good girl, but like that ain't what they want at that time, you know. So they just like,
They want a whore.
Some people ain't ready to settle down.
I mean, like he young, and like Chloe, like how old, like 30 something. Like they are two different.
She young
spots in
too.
the- But I mean, like she older, like she already like know what she want. Like she want to have a family, she want to settle down and stuff. And like he young.
She wanted to have a baby from a long time. Remember, she was trying for more than
Yeah, and I think
That's what I
baby.
say. Like she know what she wanted.
But
She
she
gave
had
her baby.
3 years with Lamar, and
She
she's
couldn't
trying
get
all the
pregnant.
time, and she couldn't get pregnant in the state, but she was gonna keep it up with the Kardashians.
She was trying like all these different
They say
things.
she had complications. Now she going in a new relationship and she get pregnant.
But that's why she didn't leave him, because he told he didn't get her pregnant.
Maybe she thought that was a sign.
Yeah.
But
Yeah, makes sense.
that's weird.
I just ready to watch this video because I want to see like how the progression of our conversation moving from different topics. Because that's really how it's being good. Like we just be sitting down and then like talking about one thing, then we end up talking about like zebras or something.
I actually really like animals.
Especially with your favorite animal.
I follow them.
You actually really want to walk?
I follow them. Keep it in the fridge, even them big.
Oh my god, I remember when you tell me that in English. I want to knock this girl head off it. It wasn't making no sense.
I don't know anymore. Oh, monkey.
King Junior.
Well, we all know I want a hedgehog and a raccoon.
I better find a farm in our house.
Topic is high school compared to college.
First, how was your first semester?
Your first year.
First
I mean, my first semester was good.
My first year was like annoying as hell, because I didn't understand a lot. Because them I don't curse, man. Because they the people, they just teach different, you know, different curriculum, gotta get the stuff in. But second semester was pretty good.
Second semester was the best for me.
Yeah.
First year,
I think
it was a little rumble in the jungle. Jungle. But, you know, we came back.
I think what I should have done was just do all my genetics one time.
Maybe we should do marketing instead of ours.
We can't put that in sorry.
Why, yeah.
Your daddy's watching it.
No,
48.
just in case.
I can't believe your daddy don't know what you're doing, babe.
Yeah, you don't know you have a YouTube channel, right?
No one.
So if you found it, then you like, believe it.
Definitely.
Probably.
This nigga said to delete a picture of her smiling on WhatsApp.
I can't put none of these parts in the video. I think I would have just do my genetics first. You know?
Yeah.
To be honest, I haven't been in school for like 1 term, so I still trying to figure out how college works.
The toilet.
Just tell.
Oh.
But like the only thing I had a problem with this semester was math. Because you know, that's not my strong suit. I put that behind me.
You know for next time. Are you doing 160?
Girl,
No, you doing 167?
I think I'm doing 7.
Yeah, because you're a science major.
Think it's 2.3.
160 is for non-science majors, so me and you.
Oh Lord, yeah, I ain't doing that. I don't.
So what are you guys' majors?
Biochem, like every
Undeclared.
Culinary.
What's your major? Marketing?
Yeah, marketing and art.
What do you like about marketing?
You know, I like the idea of like
The idea of what? Marketing?
getting the understanding of what people, what the public may enjoy versus what they will not like, even if it's subconscious. You know, I prefer my art classes, honestly, because for obvious reasons. But you know, it's a nice combination.
So when you get your degree in marketing, what do you wish to do afterwards?
I'm thinking of changing my major, to be honest.
So what?
Mandarin.
Really?
Yeah.
What are the job options?
I mean, you can be a translator.
Or I could just teach
Mandarin
English.
teacher.
I could teach English in China.
Brandon, we're filming!
So Carol, when are you going to school?
When is birthdays?
September.
September.
I just September.
I remember when he was supposed to join the August crew with me.
Because zodiacs are the things that matter.
He's a Leo.
Do you guys believe in zodiac signs? Like, or not like exactly the zodiac sign, but like the horoscopes
The
and stuff
horoscopes,
like that?
Yeah, I do.
Sometimes they really
They be out.
That's what I was saying. Like, I was talking to Javik about this one day in the library.
Yep.
And he was like, oh, I don't believe that the time you were born, the day you were born determines
Determines
like your
personality.
trait, your personality traits and all that. And I was like, Yeah, I don't really believe that too, but like sometimes like the horoscopes and stuff, they be really accurate, like they be hitting home and stuff. I'm not like one of those persons where I'm like, oh my god, I have to read my zodiac, I have to read my horoscope. But like if I come across it, like I'd read it, like
to see
it interests me.
What is
like
one
that.
distinct thing about your zodiac sign? Like,
crying all the time. No, I lied. We creative.
People say Leos, they like to be in the spotlight a lot, and they like attention and stuff.
If y'all can't get the attention, you're not gonna freak yourself.
I mean, like that's kind of true for me, like to a certain extent. Like I like to have attention on me, but like I feel like it depends on who the attention is coming from. Like if I with my friends and all that, I'd like, yeah, I want attention, but like just around. It's just like a random person, like I really wouldn't care.
And then like Aquarius are stubborn, and I could not agree more.
But she can be dumb and stay dumb because that's how stubborn she is.
Learn, Chae. No.
Like I really, like if I feel strongly about something, you can't get me to change my mind. Like God himself has to say, Chae, you're wrong.
Just say Cancer is funny. Well, nothing to do with.
I don't really read much about cancers, you know.
Who asked you that, bro?
What kind of sign are y'all? Water sign, earth sign, fire sign? You don't know the
I'm a fire.
I know you're a fire. Yeah. You sure you're a water?
I think so.
Aquarius.
Why?
So you got rid of because.
Oh, I gotta wash my face. I'll be back, guys.
Hi, Riann. X zoomed in on your face.
Favorite
Your
song.
favorite animal?
Your favorite animal is a hedgehog.
What's your cat?
And for a moment I believed you loved me too. Watch where I tread before I fall.
No.
Lately, blonde. Take a nigga and then I pass it to the clip. I feel like this is inappropriate for a channel though.
It really is, and I got to get out all them fucking words.